get you the focus what's going to happen today, because right after a long and a hard Lok Sabha election campaign, Prime Minister Modi is all set to return to the campaign trail. Today, the Prime Minister will be addressing the first mega rally around noon in Doda and Jammu, a region that has long been a bastion for the BJP. The Saffron Party that won all of the 25 seats there in the 2014 assembly elections in erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, as far as Prime Minister's choice of location is significant, as Doda recently has witnessed 4 major attacks since June. Here is the message that the BJP is trying to send across by picking Doda in particular as the launchpad of its ambitious political campaign. Challenging the opposition's dominance from the traditional Congress hold is even going to send out a message to nearby seats of Kishwar, to Ramban and Anantnag as well. Prime Minister Modi's visit is considered important for shaping the party's plans in Jammu and Kashmir and highlighting BJP's past achievements.
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी का एक अपना कद है, पूरे हिंदुस्तान में लोग उनको लाइक करते हैं, और ये भी ये है कि धारा 370 टूटने के बाद अब जबकि हालात सामान्य हुए हैं, तो प्रधानमंत्री जी 40 साल बाद किसी प्रधानमंत्री का यहाँ पर आना अपने आप में बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण है। और जम्मू कश्मीर में यूँ भी प्रधानमंत्री जी समय समय पर रूटीन में रेगुलरली आ रहे हैं। लोगों को अपनापन सा लगता है। एक तो जो मन की बात हर महीने होती है, जम्मू के लोगों को, जम्मू के प्रोडक्ट्स को उन्होंने बड़ा हाईलाइट किया, डेवलप किया, और कुल मिलाकर के लोगों को उम्मीद है।
Is he coming to give the jobs to the youth of the Jammu Kashmir? The youth of the Jammu Kashmir is crying for jobs, and we are watching them protesting. Dentists protesting, not getting jobs. Teachers protesting, not getting jobs. Police constables protesting, not getting jobs. Youth protesting. Sports people protesting, not getting jobs. So I would urge the Prime Minister, I would request the Prime Minister, ki please come if you're coming to give the jobs to the youth. From last 10 years, you are just, showing some other picture, हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और. आप कहते हैं नौकरी देंगे, लेकिन नौकरियां छीनने का काम कर रहे हैं. यू आर मेकिंग द डोमिसाइल्स फ्रॉम द पीपल ऑफ द पीपल आउटसाइड एंड नॉट गिविंग द जॉब्स टू द यूथ ऑफ JNK. फॉर दिस यू आर कमिंग.
सबसे पहले तो बहुत उत्साह है. कल प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय मोदी जी डोडा में आ रहे हैं, और बहुत सारे दर्शकों को इस बात की जानकारी नहीं रही होगी कि लगभग 50 बरस के बाद देश का कोई प्रधानमंत्री यहाँ आ रहे हैं. इससे पिछली बार 70 के दशक में श्रीमती गांधी आई थी, और उसके बाद इस क्षेत्र को कोई बहुत अधिक, जितनी भी सरकारें रहीं, कांग्रेस की सरकारें रहीं, मिलीजुली सरकारें रहीं, कहीं इसको प्राथमिकता नहीं दी गई. लेकिन जम्मू कश्मीर में वो क्रम शुरू हुआ 370 के जाने के बाद गत 5 वर्षों में, और यहाँ स्थिति ये थी कि यहाँ मात्र 30 स्टार्टअप, 30 आज बढ़कर के उसकी भी संख्या 850-900 हो गई.
From Pradeep, who's joining us this morning live. Good morning, Pradeep. Of course, when it comes to the Prime Minister's presence there itself, he's always been the face of the BJP while election rallies or campaigns that are being held. And today he will be holding his first rally in Doda.
Yes, you're absolutely right, because since morning I'm seeing a lot of enthusiasm among people, many women, children, elderly people. They are traveling from different places, coming over to this place to have a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. His charisma refuses to die down, and there's a lot of enthusiasm among people. Let me talk to, you can see the women and children also coming up. Let me talk to them. कितना उत्साह है प्रधानमंत्री को देखने के लिए?
मीडिया सर बहुत बढ़िया है सर.
See, this is going to be a very important rally. Why it's going to be important rally? As Dr. Jitendra Singh was rightly saying, in the last 50 years, not a single Prime Minister has come out to this area. This has been the remotest place. People of Doda, Kishtwar and Bhadrawa, they often say that it is Jammu and Kashmir. Either the politicians are looking towards the aspiration of the Jammu or Kashmir region, but nobody talks about this and. They call themselves and. So Prime Minister last time in 2014, he had a rally in Kishtwar area. But that time also the people of Doda wanted that he should come out to this place. This time, while they were jotting down the program for campaigning, Prime Minister himself decided that he will be coming over to this place so that he can address a rally. Because we have seen that there has been a kind of a transformation that has taken place since abrogation of Article 370. Many roads have come up, power projects have come up. This has provided employment to the youngsters also. And we have seen a kind of a transformation taking place in overall Jammu and Kashmir after abrogation of Article 370. There's a peace and normalcy in the region. So Prime Minister is going to talk about all these things. How many people they have rejected separatism. They have said goodbye to terrorism. We have seen that even Jamaat-e-Islami people, they are also contesting, participating in elections. They are the same people who used to talk, swear by Pakistan. They used to talk about plebiscite. They used to talk about Azadi. But now they too believe in Indian constitution. So there's a lot of enthusiasm. Look at these youngsters also. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? So many people, they are excited to first reach the stadium where Prime Minister is going to enter the rally. There are a lot many more people. कितना उत्साह है? सुबह से आप देख रहे हैं कितने लोग आ रहे हैं?
बहुत आ रहे हैं सर, बहुत ज़्यादा।
कहाँ से चल के आ रहे हैं?
आप तो काशीगढ़ से आ रहे हैं, खिलनी से आ रहे हैं,
पैदल
से आ रहे हैं,
मैं देख रहा हूँ काफी औरतें,
अभी तो
बच्चे।
बुलडोजर से पैदल आ रहे हैं लोग।
See, people are walking several kilometers to reach out to this place. Let me show you. Look at these women. Look at these children. Because Prime Minister is going to land here at about 12. Her program continues for about 1 hour. He'll be here for 1 hour. He'll be interacting with the people because it's not an address. When the Prime Minister is addressing a rally, it's basically a kind of an interaction with the people because he will try to read their mind. He will try to ensure that what actually he has to do in the coming months. Because this time the focus of the government will be on youth. They will be trying to provide them more jobs. That's what they have promised in their manifesto also. They said that also they will try to give them 10,000 so that they can prepare for UPSC examination because they want to channelize their energy in right direction. They said that gone are the days when they were given 500 to lob a grenade on the security forces. Will be providing them 10,000 rupees and also coaching so that they can appear for the Union Public Service Commission examination. They become IAS officer. They can serve the nation in a better way. They can serve the people in a better way. So that is what actually the Prime Minister will be talking about. And there's a lot of excitement among people. And you can see here at the BJP stall, these youngsters trying to have the mascot of the Prime Minister. And they're also, let me try to speak to, किनको सुनने के लिए आए हो आप?
मोदी जी को सुनने
मोदी जी को सुनने आए हैं। कितने अच्छे लगते हैं आपको मोदी जी?
बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं।
क्यों आप इतने दूर से आए मोदी जी को सुनने?
हमारे मोदी जी हैं इसलिए हम सुनने आए।
हमारे मोदी जी हम उन्हें सुनने हैं. That's what actually these young kids are saying. So look at this youngster. Normally, I've never seen that in any of the political rallies, children having so much enthusiasm and coming from far
Well,
places.
remains to be seen when the Prime Minister lands there. And of course, it's all going to start around noon. Well, he'll be holding his first rally. But that is what we talk about Jammu and Kashmir. As Pradeep continues to be with us, we also talk about because it is going to be a power-packed day for the Prime Minister, not just in Doda, but there would be elections that are going to also be held in the state of Haryana. And the Prime Minister will be holding his first rally there as well. Interestingly, the venue is Kurukshetra, the land where the epic battle of Mahabharata was fought. And the rally that assumes a lot of political significance as the BJP leaders believe that it will strengthen their poll prospects of the party in a state where it is facing at least 10 years of anti-incumbency infighting exodus, leaders being apparently upset over ticket distribution and hoping to overcome all of these hurdles. BJP, meanwhile, which is trying to put up a show of unity and strength and using the Modi magic to its full potential. Candidates not only from Kurukshetra but also from other districts like Karnal, from Ambala, from Kaithal, from Yamunanagar will be sharing dais with the Prime Minister at the public meeting.
ऐतिहासिक भूमि कुरुक्षेत्र में कल देश के लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी थीम पार्क में एक बड़ी जन आशीर्वाद रैली को संबोधित करेंगे और देश के लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी कल हरियाणा प्रदेश की कुरुक्षेत्र की भूमि पर आएंगे.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence. To be a force for business that takes India to the world and the world to India. Creating pathways of self-reliance. To stand for progress, the planet and the people. Towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.